I've been immersed in 3D capture technologies, reality capture technologies for more than a decade. My wife and I started a conference business in 2003, very focused on laser scanning and 3D data capture. The holy grail of this industry is to produce a device that's the size of a coffee cup, that weighs about 1 kilogram, that can have the ease of use of a handycam. I spent nearly every waking moment I had scouring the earth looking for 3D capture technologies and hardware and software to bring back to the conference.
When new technologies become available to us as a software company, we're obviously very excited, and fortunately for us, that evolution is happening very, very fast right now.
We've been able to take these very powerful tablets, these sensors, put them together, write some very special code, and get engineering grade data from them. That's the magic. So the first time I saw this was in my kitchen. There were a couple of things that just jumped out at me. We could get real-time feedback about the quality of the data we were collecting. Second thing is we finished to collect, and then we registered the data on the spot. This seemed like just a huge breakthrough to me, to be able to do it on the spot in the field.
With our product, they can capture and have actual measurable data in 3D that they can bring into their CAD design. They can link it into their asset management products.
Our data export formats can be read by Recap, by LFM, by Intergraph, by Leica. Our data plugs right into your existing workflow. So if you've captured your world with a tripod-mounted laser scanner, we can append to that data set, and we can speed up that tripod workflow by augmenting the data capture, the missing areas, the occluded areas. We're chasing after opportunities in a wide variety of markets, from industrial plant applications, refineries, offshore structures, to building information modeling markets, car manufacturing companies.
At our core, we're a software company. We're a solution company, but first and foremost, we are a software company.
When I got into the business of 3D scanning, 3D modeling, I was shocked that people still use old formats for their point clouds, like PTX or PTS. One thing that we did at DotProduct was we invented a file format that is really compressing the data down. We can share it online, we can share it across devices, we can just simply put it on a stick.
We also have some customers in law enforcement, security planning. Our small file sizes allow law enforcement to send this information over their secure networks and get it out to the entire force, or to the people that really need it. Law enforcement personnel have told me that if you don't solve a crime in the first 48 hours, then the probability that you're ever going to solve it plummets rapidly.
With our product, you know right away, within seconds, you can see on your tablet what you captured.
The natural step for us is now to take our technology and release it as an SDK for other developers to use our technology and build great apps. On the camera side, also, the major development that's happening right now is that 3D sensors are starting to get integrated into mobile devices. It's going to be the next evolutionary step in the smartphone, because now it not only sees your environment, it can really understand your environment, it can capture all the surfaces, it can capture all the geometry, it really knows what is an object, where is it located in space, and what does it look like, what's the surface information. All these information are going to be available through our SDK, and developers can take advantage of that.
As a software company, we are very flexible, and we can take advantages to the changes in hardware.
The physical world is always changing. So the mission that we're all on here is to synchronize the digital world with the physical world.